This video is so long overdue, but I am going to be trying out this souffle gel from EnailCouture, and I'm going to be using their tips and this whole system. Um, so yeah, I'm recording this kind of late, but better late than never, right? Okay, so I'm just going to grab the souffle gel, and I'm going to apply it to all my nails just like I would with a base gel or anything like that. And I'm going to also cure it. One thing I found out about these tips is that they're a lot thinner than opera nails. So you have to be careful when you're filing around the cuticle area because sometimes it can get too thin. Um, but yeah, just be very careful. So I'm going to grab my flashlight as well as the souffle gel again. And just like base gel, I'm going to apply it the same way. I'm just going to put it in the cuticle area and brush it anywhere that my nail is going to kind of contact uh, the artificial nail. So I discovered I actually really like this souffle gel. However, I've learned that it's not a soak-off gel, and it's actually like a form of hard gel. So be mindful of that. This isn't a soak-off product. So when you go to soak off these nails, the actual extension will soak off, but the souffle gel will not, and that's something you have to file down. And had I known that, I wouldn't have gotten this, but the hold using the souffle gel is actually pretty good. So obviously the process for applying is exactly the same as you would with any other uh, gel extension like this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let it play and fast forward through it. So next I'm going to go in with filing. These are the square tips from EnailCouture, I'm sorry. Um, they're actually the perfect type of square because they're a little bit tapered, so they're like just so perfect. I'm just going to file them up a little bit and kind of get the little dots off the tip, if you guys can see. And then I'm just going to file the nail as always and just kind of prep it for nail polish. So now we're ready to paint. These nails are actually pretty strong, which I was kind of concerned about because they're a lot thinner than après nails, but they came out really, really strong. I'm going to apply 2 coats of this nude color, and this is number 41 from the huge 80-piece Coselia nail kit, or nail polish set. That's also linked down below if you guys are interested in that. Just 2 coats of that. Now I'm doing the super thin red tips, so I'm going in with this deep red color, and I'm going to paint lines on the sides of the nails. I'm just going to do this on all nails first. This is how late this video is. This is actually my Valentine's Day set. So I did this look specifically for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I'm super late. So to ensure my nails are really crisp at the tip, the red line, I'm just going to dip my finger in and kind of swish it around until I get a straight line. This has been the easiest way for me to do it. I don't do this on clients, but I just do it on myself because it was a lot easier and I don't have to worry about like a squiggly, uneven line. So last, I am just applying my Modelones top coat, and that's about it. I guess the last step that I kind of added to this is I painted the underside of the nail the same red color, just so it was just a little bit different. I don't know what I was thinking or what I was doing, but you guys will see in a second. But yeah, that concludes this video. I hope you guys liked it. It's not really like a super in-depth tutorial, but this was kind of just like my first time ever using the EnailCouture system. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Everything is linked down below, and I think that's it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.